We're headed eastbound on, right now we're on I-40 and just come into Oklahoma. Trying to get up to Joplin today, but this wind is some serious blowing my step deck around. Coming out of Amarillo this morning wasn't too bad. It was bad, but it wasn't too bad. Like, you know, I can still do my thing, but you know, up here you got 50, 60 mile an hour gusts. You know, you got pulls like that, or I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got me all the way down to 4.5 miles to the gallon. So we're gonna pull up in this TA. It says it's supposed to stop at 5 o'clock. So I don't know, what it's gonna do, but I'm not gonna keep dealing with this. You know, I'm eating fuel. I'm high RPMs. You know what I mean? Temps are running a little high. I mean, they're not overheating or nothing, but with a 33 mile an hour headwind, man, I'm just not interested. You know, and this is the best part about the whole owner-operator thing. You know, a lot of these guys running by me, unfortunately, they just don't have a choice, you know. You don't get to call your company and say, hey, well, you can, but they're gonna give you help, you know, because they don't care. Most of them do not care about us out here. And I mean, this is really gonna throw me off. I've been doing Thursday to Wednesday run here, and there's snow starting to come down now.
U-turn, then turn right.
It's just been a bad week. It pushed me way off my game. I usually get picked up Thursday. I didn't get picked up till Friday. Pickup was quick, but I had to get it reworked, as you see. So we're gonna come up in here in this TA, where we went through a half a tank since Tulsa, since Amarillo. And I am sure we ain't the only ones. Guy just come across the radio and said, we were telling him you headed westbound, slow her down, keep it around 50. He said, well, hell, it ain't no picnic back east either. So, I like to make my money, but I'm not in no real hurry to make it. So, we're gonna go right on over here and just park her up. And there's a load of foam over there. I don't know if you can see it. Looks like it kind of started to shift from the wind. Sure did. So we're just going back right up in here. I mean, it's so damn cold and windy, the dog probably won't even go out. 34 feels like 13. So know why that heavy hauls down. Get up in here, we're gonna work on a video for y'all, and go. I don't know, if we don't move no more today, we may go live today, but if not, we'll run on up the road. So all right, guys, we'll catch back with you in a little bit. Come on. Check his bad boy out. Good morning, guys. We're down here in Brazil, Indiana. You see there's a little little dusting on the ground. We're headed east. I believe, from what I'm looking at with the weather, we should be good. Pittsburgh's getting a little, we're getting the end of it right now. But by the time we get there, it should be gone. I'm hoping. So it's saying it'll clear up around 3, and we are about 6 hours away, so we'll be right on its tail. But man, I'll tell you what, I don't know, I guess I slept wrong last night. I woke up in the most excruciating pain I've had in a long time. My back, my abdomen muscles, but I can only do the truck so much. Usually like 2.5 to 3 weeks is my max. And I am pushing the limits right now. I've been out since Christmas, and I've just been running hard, like hard. Been running my 10 on, or my 10 off and keep it going, running recaps, and I think I've done 1 reset since then. So we're headed to the house. Probably gonna take a couple days off. 2 or 3, and I get back at it again. But this career isn't, it's not the easiest on your body. But we'll get on up here, see what we can get into, or stay out of it at that. Let me know what you guys think of the new video style I'm doing. The little short, like news, the information ones for you guys. While that video is uploading, let's rock on. Just a FYI, for those of you that, somebody mentioned it on the phone to me yesterday, for those of you that sit here and watch my speedometer, it's about 6 mile an hour off, because we have smaller tires than what it was calibrated with, and we didn't get it changed. So, somebody made the comment, "You're always running around pegged." I was in a 75 doing 75, and it just looked like 80 to 82. Check that out. That's Gemini's actually loves, and they are now doing drive-in. How about that? How about that?
Turn right.
Looks like they're moving pretty good up on the highway there. bit up here through Indy. About an hour out of Indianapolis. But anything comes up, we'll be back with you. Now we'll see you on the other side. What's up, guys? Alright, so we made it to Indy. Of course, this guy's gonna try to park right next to me. Son of a bitch. And we have intermittent boost, like we're losing boost intermittently. So we're gonna go under there and see if think it may be a hopefully it's a vacuum line. That's what we're hoping for. So we're gonna go ahead and check that out, and hopefully that's it. Yeah, I should have known parking this close somebody's gonna try it. Come on back, buddy. You're good. Get under. Come on. Guess he doesn't have a radio. So, all right, guys, we're gonna go up under there and let you know what we come up with. All right, so like I said, it's an intermittent issue. So what I did is I took this apart. You look up in here. There's no play on the shaft on the wheel. I mean, there's a little, but that's the normal. Look down in there. There's nothing, you know, crazy. So that tells me that the intake side of the turbo is fine. I'm really leaning towards this actuator here. It's really what I think it is. So I'm gonna call, see how much it is, and you know, all that. So what this does is this actually moves the vanes, because this is a VGT turbo. So if these are sticking, then that's, you know, going to mess with the boost when I need it. And I noticed that the last time it went down to 0, the boost gauge went up to almost 60, and we don't run 60 psi boost. So yeah, there's no vacuum, you know, really no vacuum lines that I could see. It could be bad. I guess it could be the sensor, but I really don't think so. I'm really leaning towards this, so we're gonna call and see exactly what. I know it's not going to be cheap, but we're going to see how much that is and then go from there. So upon further Google and YouTube, a lot of people have had this problem, and they said it's the manifold exhaust temperature, or manifold exhaust sensor, which goes right there. So we pulled it off, and this is what it looks like. So I'm not saying it's bad, but I'm saying it's pretty ugly, pretty bad. So we called 7 dealers, nobody had it. But then we called Freightliner, of all people. Actually, we walked across the street, and this is the sensor. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in, and we're gonna hope this fixes the problem. All right, about an hour, maybe 2 hours later, it's fixed. Well, replaced. We're gonna walk the dog, and we're gonna get riding, and we're gonna find out together if we fix the problem. Let's ride. All right, so we had the check engine light was on. It's off now, so I guess we're going to let's see what you do. Sure we get on 65 or 465 south. Kind of hoping this our fuel mileage has been down a little bit too, so hopefully this helps it. We'll reset our mileage. That's what EGRs do to your
In 1/4 mile, turn left, then exit right.
That measures the gases coming out of your EGR. Now the only thing I'm worried about is there is still some nasty looking soot in there that I don't know how to get out right this second, so we're going to deal with that a little bit later.
Turn left, then exit right.
You'll be the first to know. Actually, you'll be the second because I'll be the first. So, alright, we're going to get on up the highway. The boost does seem to be reacting a whole lot better than it was before. So, well, we're just going to watch it and see what happens. Alright guys, so, good news! Good news! We made it over here to the Ohio-Indiana line. Truck's fine. Fuel economy is back. But now for the bad news. Guys on the radio were saying at Columbus, roads start deteriorating pretty bad. And we gotta go that way. So I haven't decided what I'm gonna do yet. I know I'm not gonna stay here. I'm probably gonna fuel up and move on. Old suicide jockey there. We'll probably fill up, top off, and going down the road. This is our last really good spot to get fuel, cheap fuel, you know, before we get back
Arriving at destination
back to
on
the
left.
house. Now, if you guys like really pay attention to like your truck and all that, like I knew I had something going on. I honestly thought it was an injector going down, but I have learned not to react so fast because I've cost myself a lot of money doing that. So the extra $300 that I spent in fuel, you know, to kind of see what goes on with it is better than the thousands of dollars I would have spent throwing parts at it. So that's kind of where we're at with that and why I did that. But so let me get this topped off and then we'll be on up the road. You guys check out this mess I got. Y'all know this ain't my stuff. Look at this. Dirty old pig. Not how we roll. But we're gonna get this unstrapped, undone, so we can get up out of here. You gotta go home. You gotta get out of here. So this is the first time he's gonna load me from the passenger side, but because of that right there and the pole's in the way. Go. Just give you one of these. Broke the strap. This, my friends, right here, that's why we use protectors. Alright guys, we're back on the paddock here. Shall we roll? Shit out these mirrors, windows. Hold on, Bon, I can't see nothing. I think I did that because stop it. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate you. You can't back up. Step decking ain't for you, fellas. Just saying. I think dry vans back up a lot. Problem's not that we back up. It's where we gotta back out of or into. You know? You can always tell fair weather truckers, just look at their truck. Ah! Alright guys, so we are empty. So we are empty. We're waiting on I emailed about a load. It's going like, I don't know, 100 miles, paying 1,100 bucks. Ooh, $11 a mile. Depending on what it is and what's involved, I may actually turn it down. I don't know. But we're gonna stay around the house the rest of the week. It's Tuesday, so we're gonna stay around the house, and then we'll got an appointment and some things to do next Monday and Tuesday. And then after that, we'll be back outside. As they say, we outside, driver, we outside. Send my boy JC Hollins, where you at? We outside, driver. Game of inches in my life. Whole life. How many people right now are running Hotshot and they want to get into big rigs? And how many big riggers want to go into Hotshot? Just a random question. Alright guys, we're gonna get on up here. I gotta go check on my buddy. Get a couple. I got some new letters for the truck. I'm gonna get the truck washed up, get them put on. And I don't know. I got a video. We got videos coming up, so catch you on the next one. Peace.